Hello all, in this video we will discuss about data types. What are data types? A data type in programming is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable has. Now let me list some of the data types. Numbers, string, boolean, list, tuple, dictionary and sets. Here we'll look at numbers. What are numbers? Number data types store numeric values. They are immutable data types, means that changing the value of a number data type results in newly allocated object. Basically in numbers there are three types: integer, float and complex. Integer are the variables which take int as an input. Suppose if I print that value, look, 5 has the output. But the actual question is, okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.